Do you ever feel like your lips are like sandpaper? They're all cracked and dry. Well, that's why I'm excited to try this youthful lip mask. And I was actually given this product in return for this video. I'm going to go over all the features, show you how it goes on, what I think of it, what it tastes like, and then you could decide if this is something you'd like to try. This is for anyone who's tired of dry, flaky lips or those fine lines that make lipstick look uneven. If you've tried everything and still wake up with tight lips, this is a game changer for your nighttime routine. The magic happens while you sleep. It's packed with collagen, hyaluronic acid, and shea butter, so it locks in moisture and smooths out rough texture. Your lips feel soft and silky by morning, and that hydration lasts all day. Here's the fun part. It also has Volufiline and PDRN, which help give your lips a naturally plump look, not overdone, just that healthy fullness we all love. Plus, plant squalane and ceramides calm sensitivity and strengthen your moisture barrier over time. Some questions people have: is it heavy? No, it's not heavy at all. It's actually very light. It feels really good. Do you need to use it every night? No, I mean, you might want to because the results are pretty amazing when you do. It doesn't really have a taste either, if you're wondering that. It just goes on really light. And if you want to put it under lipstick, you definitely can. It's not going to impact anything. It's just going to make everything more hydrated. So if you're looking for a great lip mask, you can actually wear this during the day. It doesn't have to be just for night. Definitely check this one out.